Hey, welcome back to Cracks Country Cooking. I'm Ben. Today, I'm going to show you how to make garlic bread. Alright, today we're making garlic bread. First thing we got to do is take a garlic bulb, cut the top of it off, season it, throw it in a 375 degree oven for about an hour. Alright, first thing we're going to do, we're going to cut the top of this garlic off. Be careful. Use a sharp knife. Take some of the extra paper off. Then we're going to drizzle it with some olive oil. Some salt. Then we're going to wrap it in aluminum foil. Alright, while the garlic is in there roasting, we got to cut up our parsley. All I have is curly parsley, so we'll have to use that. Let's get the leaves off of here. Alright. Alright, the garlic is done. Got to take it out of the aluminum foil. Alright, let's unwrap this garlic. That's what I'm talking about right there. So we'll squeeze that into this bowl. Now it's going to be burning hot, but I don't have any feeling really left in my fingers, so this will be alright. All right, let's get our ingredients together. We're going to start with some freshly grated Parmigiano Reggiano. All right, in a saucepan, you're going to need 60 milliliters of milk, 30 milliliters of water. You're going to pour that in. Then you're going to need 20 grams of all-purpose flour. This is going to be a conditioner for the dough. Alright, after about a minute, you're going to have a nice paste. You got to set that aside and let it cool. I have to put 125 milliliters of warm water, 125 milliliters of milk. You want to check the temperature, 5 degrees. Anywhere between 95 and 105 is good. Alright, you want to stir in 15 grams of sugar, granulated sugar. And you're going to want 11 grams of yeast. All right, cover that for 10 minutes. Let the yeast bloom. Next, we'll add in our 110 grams of Parmesan. We will add our yeasty goodness. out. All right, now we'll turn the stand mixer on low and let that start incorporating. At this point, we'll add our tangs on. Our garlic. We'll add our parsley. One egg yolk. We'll let that mix for a second. Now we'll add in 115 grams of butter. Right, put some flour down. Put some flour on our hands. We'll roll this out. Be a little sticky at first, but a little more flour into a greased container. Where it will live for the next hour and a half or until it doubles in size. All right, after an hour and a half, the dough is doubled in size. Let's roll it out. All right, once your dough has been transferred to the cookie sheet, you're gonna take one egg wash and brush it on. It's one egg and a little bit of milk. I'll brush this on. All right, once the egg wash is on there, we are going to take a razor blade. We're going to cut it down the lengthways, about the depth of the blade. All right, after a 15-minute rest, you can put it in the oven, 400 degrees for 20 minutes. All right, after 35 minutes, let's take a look. All right, that's done. All right, now we'll move it to a wire rack to cool. All right, now it's cooled down. Let's cut her open. Look at that. That looks delicious. All right, let me cut off a piece to try. We'll use some of our homemade butter. If you haven't seen that video, I'll put a link in the description. All right, let's give this a try. Yeah, that's pretty good. Parmesan, parsley, garlic, all in one loaf of bread. The homemade butter just sets it off too. Yeah, it's really good. Well, if you like this video, please like and subscribe. We have other videos coming out. Check out our earlier videos, and I really appreciate the support.